Kimchi here, and today I'm here to talk to you about my new makeup line, Kimchi Chic Beauty. It's been a long time dream of mine to launch my own makeup company, and it finally happened on October 16th. So this is the first line of products, and I want to go through a little unboxing with you guys. Over here is a cute little millennial pink box. My logo right over here. So this is a PR package that went out to a select few people, but it's also available for purchase in small limited quantity on KimchiCCBeauty.com. Alright, let's open it up. When you open it up, there's a beautiful rainbow right over here. To the left side is a Rainbow Sharts palette. The cover work was done in collaboration with Catnips. For my first palette, I want to introduce people to a range of neutrals. So in the future, when I release more colorful shadows, you guys already have like a base to work with. And on the right side over here, we got Diamond Sharts in 8 different colors and High Key Gloss in 3 different colors. So Diamond Sharts are a liquid eyeshadow which can be used in many different ways, which I'm about to show you. And High Key Gloss are super pigmented glosses that you don't necessarily have to wear liquid lipstick with it, or lipstick. You can just gloss it on and go. Alright? If you're not sure how to use the liquid eyeshadow, let me show you how right now. Alright. I look a little gross right now. I'm gonna change up by using a little Diamond Sharts. So, Diamond Sharts are liquid eyeshadows that are multi-purpose. You can put it around your eyes, you can wear it as a highlighter. I did kind of like a neutral smoky, and I'm gonna fill the inside with, do I wanna go with this one, or this one, or this one? This is like the hardest part of like doing makeup. I never know which color I'm gonna go with because there's so many options, especially in my line. I'm gonna go with Golden Gal. It's a fine gold pigment with holographic sparkles in it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bam! Do you see? Do you see? It's so saturated, so sparkly. And if you want to take it to the next level, here's a little pro tip. Take a glitter. Use a brush like a civilized human being. I'm a monster, so I'm going to use my fingers. If you tap it into the Diamond Sharts, this also works as a glitter base. Do you see how it sucks the glitter in and keeps it on there? Now be careful when you're applying glitter around your eyes. If you get in your cornea, you can scratch your eyes, so don't sue me if you do. I know these are my own products, but god damn, they're amazing. Alright, since like the lid is sparkly under the eye, I just kind of want to give it a little moist twinkle. So I'm gonna add a little this champagne Diamond Sharts called My Stage. So easy to use. Put a little more dark shadow around just to like make the glitters pop a little more in the corners. This is Onyx from the Rainbow Sharts palette. And now we've just got the eyeliner. A lot of the shimmers in the Rainbow Sharts palette can also be used as a highlighter. So Champs is my personal favorite. See that? We're gonna get that right here. Oh my god. That's just one finger. Let's put a little more, just to stroke it out for all the children. My little trick, I like to put a little highlighter in the tip of my nose. Diamond Sharts can also be used as a highlighter as well. So what you do is, my personal favorite one to use is World Dominance. Just apply a little on top of like the highlighter base and then blend it out. Multi-uses. I also like putting a little under my brow just for that extra shimmer. Ba-bam! Alright, you can tell me shit with these highlights. And to finish up the look completely, I'm gonna put my high key gloss on. So natural. Here we go. Oh. Oh yeah. There you have it, folks. So I'm gonna go get dressed now. Alright guys, that was the introduction to my first launch and the products and how to use them. I'm very excited for this launch and stay tuned because I have more products and more fun content coming up for you guys. And everything you saw in the video can be purchased at www.kimchichicbeauty.com. So get your wallets out and start shopping. Mwah.